Back, my dear students. So today we are discussing about exponential distribution. Okay. So last video some examples are over and basic concept of this exponential distributions are already over. So this is one different type of example is there. So we can solve the one example. So before that we know that the basic formula, that is exponential distribution, the continuous probability distribution having the PDF of f of x. So given by, so this is the one formula is there, that is f of x is equal to, the two functions are there, alpha into e raised to minus alpha x for x is greater than 0, so otherwise the function becomes 0. So here alpha is always greater than 0. So we know that as exponential distribution, that is mean mu is equal to 1 upon alpha, variance phi is equal to 1 upon alpha square. We know that already, these are the basic concept, already these are over. So now we can let us consider one example, that is also different type. Last video, so 2, 3, 4 examples are over. So this is fifth example. So now we can see this. What is the example here? The compressor manufactured by a company is known to be 200 months on an average, follows an exponential distribution. Find the probability that the life of compressor of that company is, so these three conditions are less than 200 months, more than 100 months, between 100 months and 25 years. So see here, so first one is less than 200 months, second one is more than 100 months, third one is between 100 months and 25 years. So in between of these two we can find the value. So now take solution by data. Mean 1 upon alpha is equal to 200 months. So already it is a given. So 200 months. So alpha is equal to 1 divided by 200. This is 1 upon alpha is equal to 100. Just you can rewrite this. Alpha is equal to 1 upon 200 is equal to 0.005. So we have f of x is equal to alpha into e raised to minus alpha x. That is x is greater than 0. So now we can simplify this value. So alpha value is what? 0.005. E raised to, so minus 0.005 into x. This is the f of x value. So okay. So now we can consider this value in next. First one condition we can solve, less than 200 months. Let x denotes the life of compressor. So that is first question is less than 200. So less than 200 it means what? X is less than 200. That is the P of x is less than 200. So x is less than 200 means it is start with 0. So 0 to 200. That is 0 to 200. Integration of 0 to 200 f of x into dx. So now we know that f of x value is 0.005 into e raised to minus 0.005 into x into dx. Here 0.005 is the constant value, take outside. What is the integration of e raised to minus 0.005 into x? Integration is e raised to minus 0.005x divided by x coefficient is minus 0.005. So limits are 0 and 200. Here limits value mean it is x value only. So here minus 0.005 is constant. Take outside. So this value and this value get cancelled. Remaining this only. Put upper limit and lower limit. That is minus sign remaining. This minus sign is remaining. E raised to minus 0.005 into upper limit is 200 minus e raised to x is 0. So 0 into 0.005 is 0 only. Therefore after simplification this value is we get 0.6321. This is the first value. This is less than 200. Less than 200 value is 0.6321. Now consider second condition. Second condition is what? More than 200. More than 100. More than 100 months. More than 100 months means more than means x is greater than 100. Greater than 100. So it is start with 100. End with it is unlimited. Unlimited means it is infinity only. So now you can choose here limits values are greater than 100 means 100 to infinity. 100 to infinity. The function is same. F of x. F of x means 0.005 into e raised to minus 005 into 005x into dx. Now we can integrate this function. So here also same. Simplification is same. This step is again continue here. Only limits are 100 to infinity. Here also 0.005 and divided by minus 0.005 get cancel. So remaining is minus into bracket e raised to minus 0.005 into x. Limits are 100 to x is equal to, now we can substitute upper limit and lower limit. What is upper limit? Is infinity, is there minus of into bracket e raised to minus infinity minus e raised to minus 0.005 into x. So e raised to infinity is 0. We know that minus minus get cancelled. So e raised to this value becomes minus 0.6065. So this value is the more than 100 months. So more than 100 months values is 0.6065. So now we can take last condition between 100 months to 25 year. Between 100 months to 25 year, that is P of, in between means x value is in between 100 to 25 years. So 25 years, 100 months to 25 year. 25 year means how much? It is 300 months. So that is 100 to 300 means x is greater than 100, less than 300. Okay, so this one is, so now we can taking limits are 100 to 200. So only value limits are changed here, 100 to 300 and 0.005 into e raised to minus 0.005x into dx. So that is minus of this value is, again simplification same, 0.005 divided by 0.005 get cancelled, remaining is minus sign. So e raised to minus 0.005 into x. Put upper limit 300, lower limit is 100. That is minus of e raised to minus 0.005 into 300 minus e raised to minus 0.005 into 100. After simplification this one we get 0.383. Okay, so 0.383. So therefore in that value is, it is the between 100 months to 25 years. Okay, so this is the solution of this given examples. Okay, thank you.